Uncle, I greet you. I greet you.
Great you too.
Hope you are doing well.
Very, very well. When I'm eating, I'm always doing well.
I know. You look like you don't have troubles right now. Hope you have an enjoying week. Yeah, your week was enjoyable.
Please go straight to the point. You're asking to go.
Sorry, uncle. Sorry, uncle. I know you don't have much time. Your time is passing so. Okay, let me ask you this one question. This week, a Christian teacher claims God told her to become a porn star. Don't let it shock you. It's not like that. It's not like that. She's a teacher. You know, she used to teach children.
Yes.
At school in Los Angeles.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
And she wasn't feeling like this is like what she's supposed to be doing in life.
Yes.
So she decided to change her profession. Her profession.
Hold it. Don't say anything more than that.
Why?
So the way you said the first one, I was already thinking, what is this boy saying? Imagine, wait, do you know who God is? So some people are not afraid of God at all. Nobody fear God anymore. So somebody comes out. Will you keep my head?
One second.
Somebody comes out to tell
She's
you.
a good Christian girl. Oh, she was raised up as a good Christian girl. It not be like she's there outside for club.
Do you know Anini?
What is that?
Anini? You don't know it.
What is her name?
Anini's father was also a good Christian. He was also brought up. So let me tell you, there is nobody that has not been brought up by a Christian mother or a Christian father. It is not our, it's our. Some people have backslided already. They changed on the way where they were going.
They backslided.
Of course, they started very well and then they stopped on it. Do you know Tereji? Tereji was in the choir before. he started as a choir member in the church, but today look at him. What am I trying to say? Imagine somebody comes out to tell you that God called her. God told her, the same God that I am serving, that God called her to become a pastor, and you are here believing it. You are not doing well.
It's legit news here. It's legit news.
What rubbish legit?
It's legit news.
It is not every news that has to be trending and be. How can you tell me that God control? You mean God can just call anybody? So anybody can come out one day and say, sorry, I am a thief. God told me to start robbing people.
But uncle, listen. She says she feels closer to God now since she be doing this.
Doing what?
This porn.
So
job.
you mean that God is involved in that one? Oh God. See, I'm very sorry. Please. Don't harm us. And see, if God should punish this world, it's because of people like this. Yes. The things that Sodom and Gomorrah did is not even up to this one. How can you be committing crime? So how can you be doing that kind of rubbish? And you're telling us that God was the one that took. God does not support rubbish.
But it's a woman movement. It's a woman movement now.
Which
she's empowering all other women who feel ashamed in their bodies and all this.
She's empowering movement with her purpose. And you're telling me that God is the one that is supporting.
I mean, she have to chop also now. She can't live from
there. Even God is against such a thing. How can God tell you?
God told you himself he's against this type of thing.
Let me ask you a question. What did you say was the guest name again?
Her name? Her name is Courtney Tyler.
Courtney? Oh!
Courtney Tyler.
Now I know the person you are talking about. Why did you not say it?
Wait.
Is it not the Courtney?
Are you sure you really know? You really know her?
Of course.
From where?
Who doesn't know Courtney Tyler?
From where do you know her?
From where? You right? You are talking about
Uncle. From where, Uncle?
Is it not the girl that God called? Of course, God was the one that called her. I was there when she picked the call.
Uncle, you know she worked for OnlyFans. She have a collaboration with OnlyFans. So that's why I was asking from where you know her, Uncle.
I am one of my fans.
Yeah, look at you, Uncle.
It is God that called us.
For sure, this one will be Satan.
God called us. No. God called. When God was calling her, I was there. So she picked the call and then she put it on loudspeaker. And I was there when God was telling her, go into the world and help brothers.
And help your fellow women.
So whatever it is that you are doing, God be with you. Continue. See, you say that God is the one that called you. Continue your work. For me, God has also called me to eat my food. God bless you.